Hi, I am from the Explore Error YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to change right-click options in Windows 11 and bring back the classic right-click menu in a simple way. Step 1. Click on the Start button located at the bottom left corner of your screen. This will open the main Windows menu where you can access System Tools and search for built-in options easily. Step 2. Type CMD in the search box at the top of the Start menu. This helps you quickly find the command prompt, which is a useful Windows tool for running system commands. Step 3. Right-click on Command Prompt from the search results. This step is important because it gives you extra options that are needed to make system changes. Step 4. Click on Run as Administrator. Running Command Prompt as an administrator allows it to make changes to system settings. Step 5. Paste the given command into the Command Prompt window. This command makes a small change in the Windows registry to restore the classic right-click menu. Step 6. Press Enter on your keyboard to run the command. Once you do this, Windows applies the change in the background without showing any error if it works correctly. Step 7. Restart your PC so the changes can fully apply. After restarting, you will see the updated right-click options when you use your mouse. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the Explore Error channel for more helpful Windows tips.